Okay, you lovely people. Here we go. This is part 58 of Build Your Own Batmobile Tumbler. Boom. 58. This, like I said, this is the last one of this batch. So I don't think there is too much to do. So we're going to be working on the roof of the tumbler and its first support. So basically popping that in, screwing it in, sorted. That's what we get when we finished that stage. And then next, the first one of the next batch will be additional roof supports. So let's have a look at what we get with this magazine. 58, look at the size of that thing. It's got to be the biggest box we've had. And it's an end opener. Looks like the metal's cut through the box there. Yeah. So, BP screws, that little thing that we had in. I mean, this thing is a fair chunk of metal. Anyway, let's crack on with the build. Right. So we get this piece and this little plastic piece. That just sits in there like that. And then we've got to screw it in from behind. Boom. What ridiculous. Right, let's double check that that's in the right, correct position. Yeah. That's a weird looking thing, isn't it? Anyway, sorry that took so long. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Maybe give us a thumbs up, why not? Hey, do me a favour. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next one.